Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Friday, fish of the week. We ain't doing fish today, y'all. We doing shrimp. You know that nice, pretty. If you seen my previous video, I got nice, pretty shrimp that I bought from. This one here actually come from Seabrook, but I have also about 20 pounds of shrimp I'm gonna be using for the next few months in the holiday season. That I got from Boyd's One Stop. They had an awesome deal on shrimp. And these right here, take this over here, y'all. These here are the 1620s. And I took the shell off and I left the tail on for presentation. I took the vein out of there, I peeled in the vein and left the tail on just for presentation. So we doing some old school shrimp and grits. I like to grill mine with a little garlic and Worcestershire sauce. I'll show y'all the procedure. The first thing I'm gonna do some yellow. I do the yellow corn grits right here. And let me tell y'all what I got. Like I said, I got 1620s tail off shrimp P and D, peeled in the vein. I got some milk for my grits. Some butter gonna go in the grits, yellow grits. I got a little chopped garlic, chopped bacon, chopped green onion, a little Worcestershire sauce. And some cheddar cheese we're gonna put in the grits. So it's gonna be cheddar cheese grits, y'all, with the shrimp. It's all good. And of course, we got salt and pepper, a little cavender seasoning, and some shake to go on it. So first thing I wanna do, y'all, we're gonna get these grits going. Now, these are stone ground grits. It's not the instant grits. So what I like to do, I like to make my grits with milk and butter. That's where I like to cook my grits. And I'm gonna add a little, you can add a little chicken stock to it too if you want to, which I probably will, to give it more flavor. But first I'm gonna get the milk heating up and then we're gonna add a little chicken stock to this too. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna add a little chicken stock to this too also. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get our, kind of whisk this up a little. And this doesn't have the ball to put my grits. I'm gonna throw my grits in there right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put my grits in there right now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this mixed up in here. We're gonna let these come to a boil and get thick. These gonna take about 20, 30 minutes. These ain't no instant grits. These are real old school yellow grits. And once they get ready, I'm gonna fold in the cheese. I'm gonna season it with a salt and pepper. And we're gonna set them to the side. Cause this is the hardest part of the dish. Cause the shrimp ain't gonna take but 10 or 15 minutes to make for this shrimp and grit dish. So anyway, we'll be right back when these are almost ready and I'm ready to fold in the cheese. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. You can see these grits are popping a little. So I'm gonna turn them down just a little. You see they thickening up, but they still got about 15 more minutes to go. But you see they coming along really, really good. Like I say, these are the stone ground. Let me show y'all the box here if I still got it. Yeah. These are the old school. See how they pop right here. You got to keep stirring them, y'all. But they will pop on you too. When they pop on you, oh my God, they ain't nothing nice. So I'm going to turn them down just a little. But these the one I got here. See there? Stone ground yellow grits. These the real deal grits here, y'all. This ain't those instant Quaker grits. These are real filling grits. So turn them down just a little. Put the top on here and let them boil like that. But what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna move y'all over here. And I'm gonna season these shrimp up right quick. We're gonna get these shrimp marinating up right quick. Got shrimp there. Hold on, y'all, just a second. All I'm doing, I'm gonna just put a little olive oil on here so the seasoning will stick to them. And all I'm gonna put on here, y'all, a little cavenders, a little salt and pepper. Let me stir my grits here. I don't want my grits to burn. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper. Give me some cavenders grease seasoning. And we're gonna put a little Uncle Steve shake, sweet or spice here on there. Y'all know this is my favorite one right here. Put a little of that on there. It's not salty, y'all, so I said, oh, you put a lot of now. It's not salty, it's all flavor. And a little Cavenders Greek seasoning on there. That's my favorite, one of my another one favorites, too. I'm kind of mix them up right there. And they'll be good. We're gonna let this sit here about 15-20 minutes. Kind of get marinated a little. And then all we're gonna do is grill them off. Like I said, the hardest thing of this dish, y'all, is these grits right here getting ready. Let's see how they are there. See how they coming along, thickening up. We got about maybe 10 more minutes to go. Oh yeah, look at that. Gonna be nice and creamy. I gotta add those, one thing I gotta do when they get ready, we're gonna add the cheese to that. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, these grits are pretty much ready. Now, see how thick they are and creamy? Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna add me some cheddar cheese in here. We're going up another notch. We're gonna make them some cheesy cheddar grits with them, with those shrimp. So, put that cheese in there and let it melt in there really, really good. And we're gonna set that to the side, actually to the back. We're gonna get it all melted in there. Look at that, y'all. Tell me that ain't some goodness right there, huh? Nothing like cheddar cheese, yellow stone ground grits, y'all, right? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, now I put a little salt and pepper in it, not a lot, because my chicken stock did have salt in it. And my butter had salt in it that I put in there. So I've added a little bit more chicken stock in, salt and pepper in there. So we're going to cut this off. Put the lid on there. Move this to the back. Broke my little head off my thing, y'all. Okay. Now we got our grill here. We're going to heat this bad boy up. It's going to take about 10 minutes to get it up to get it up to temperature. We'll be back when that's ready. And we're going to grill some shrimp off, y'all. See how easy this is? Old school grilled shrimp and grits, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. My skillet is hot here, my grill pan. And we're going to put these shrimp right in here, y'all. They ain't going to take long at all, y'all. We're just going to grill them off here. And I should be able to get them all in my grill pan here. Grill them all off right here, y'all. Get a nice color on each side. Like I say, y'all, it ain't gonna take long at all. And I got a couple of neighbors here to feed today, y'all. They in luck. They get some shrimp and grits today. That's why I got so many shrimp. Of course, no, I can't eat all that, y'all. Yeah, we'll just get a good grill mark on them. Then we're going to add a little garlic to them and a little Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, y'all. Turn them over. See that nice color? That's what I want. Here's what you want right here. Look at how pretty those are, y'all. Look how pretty these are. Nice and flavorful, because you know we seasoned them already. And that's all you want to do right there, y'all. You know shrimp don't take a few minutes. Now, what I'm going to do now, put that up in there, y'all. Kind of move them around there. Let them cook about 1 minute. I'm gonna add my garlic to this now. Like I said, I like to add a little garlic to my shrimp as they grilling. And I add a little Worcestershire sauce. This is something I do. It just gives it that extra tang to it. And that's it. I'm gonna cut this off and let the residual heat cook it. And I'm gonna come back. We're gonna plate this up. I got my grits back here, y'all. And what I'm gonna do to my grits, let me show y'all here what I'm gonna do to my grits right quick. I like to add a little, I'm gonna use a little as garnish. I like to add a little bacon to it and a little green onions to it. I'm gonna add a little to the top too, y'all. Fold this in here. This is something I like to do to my grits here. See that? I like to add a little green onions and bacon to them. Look at that, y'all. Good eating there, ain't it? Good eating there, ain't it? So anyway, we're going to be back here in just a second. We're going to plate this bad boy up, and we're going to have some old school grilled shrimp and grits. We'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, I got everything plated up here. And y'all see how easy and quick that is? How you can have a restaurant quality meal, and it's not that lot of work, y'all. I mean, it's really not that expensive if you buy shrimp in bulk like I do. Let me show y'all this. See that? Look at that. Take a close look. Got the shrimp on there, nice creamy cheesy grits. The grilled shrimp, perfectly grilled. A little bacon and green onions, which I like with my shrimp and grits. Like I said, I got neighbors here, y'all, that's gonna help me eat this. They looking behind me here and wanna know, hurry up, I'm gonna prolong this video. Just put them through agony, y'all. Put them through agony. Look at this one here. Look at that one there. Look at that. Okay, going in here, y'all. Let me try this one over here. Give me a knife and fork. This shrimp is so tender, y'all. Perfectly cooked, the shrimp. Grits, of course, perfectly cooked. Let me give y'all a good close up here. Look at that. Look at that shrimp, perfectly cooked. See how white they are? See the grits on there, perfectly cooked. Going in. Wow. Perfectly seasoned grits, y'all. Start off the way. Another bite. Look at this. One in. Good eating there, y'all. That's some good eating. Restaurant quality. That'll help you on a Friday night. Looking for a seafood dish to make. Go get you some stone ground grits, some shrimp. See, like I said, I use a 1620s. I peeled and then veined it. That's it. You see how simple to put this together. So, anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed Friday. Love y'all. Bye.